Hello and welcome to the art show. I just finished coloring this, and so anyway, uh, I just thought I might show this to y'all. Isn't it pretty? It's pretty, isn't it? And so anyway, just I might show it to y'all. It's real pretty, isn't it? And I've been doing art for many years, and I have years of experience when it comes to art. Now, I colored all this with pencils. I'll have to show them to y'all. Like that bird wing, I did it with this. And what I did was I just stayed in the lines like this, see? If you stay in your lines and cover up all your spots, then it would, it just looks better to do it that way, I think. But you have to stay in your lines. See? Okay. And then like for the bird's belly, I just used this green pencil and did this. See? But that's all you do. Just stay in your lines and try not to get out of your lines. It's very easy to get out of your lines when you're when you're coloring something. You want to stay in your lines. Don't, when you're coloring something like, oh, sorry about that. When you're coloring something like that, like this, to stay in your lines. Don't try to get out of your lines. It's very easy to get out of your lines. What you want to do is you want to stay in your lines as much as possible. And cover up all of your spots. Okay. Subscribe and like.